Volatility continuing on the Lal Street. Markets today recovering nearly all of their intraday losses but still ending in the red. Caution prevailed amid renewed concerns about the Omicron variant. Nifty declined for a third day in a row, falling 43 points to end below 17,400. Sensex down 166 points but managing to stay above 58,000. Banks and financials dragged the market lower. Bajaj Finance, Kotak, ITC, Bharti Airtel among some of the top laggards. On the other hand, gains in healthcare and oil and gas shares lent some support. Top gainers had the likes of Power Grid, Divi's Lab, Axis Bank, Nestle. Anand Rathi Wealth made a stellar debut on the bourses today. The stock listed at a premium of 9% over its issue price of 550 rupees. The company is among the top 3 mutual fund distributors in India. The issue was entirely an offer for sale exercise by existing shareholders and promoters of the company and received a decent response from investors. IPO was subscribed a little less than 10 times. A consortium led by Mumbai-based industrialist Nikhil Merchant has won the race to acquire the debt-laden Reliance Naval and Engineering, earlier known as Pipavav Shipyard. Sources have told Business Today TV that Hazel Mercantile Private Limited, the consortium backed by Merchant and his partners, emerged as the top bidder by a wide margin. The consortium had earlier offered 2,400 crore rupees for the shipyard and is learned to have revised its bid upwards to 2,700 crore rupees. Reliance Naval owes nearly 12,500 crore rupees to its creditors, which include SBI, IDBI Bank and Union Bank of India. Chetan Bhutani got us those details. Chetan, what kind of an expertise and technology does Reliance Naval bring to Hazel Mercantile?
Well, Hazel Mercantile stands to greatly benefit from this deal, because what my sources have been telling me is the fact that Nikhil Merchant, who's almost won the race to acquire Reliance Naval, would be using this facility to make frontline warships and submarines, in which is also in synergy to his project, LNG project that's coming up adjacent to Reliance Naval. So he'll definitely want to tap into the synergies of both the LNG and the port, because Reliance Naval is one of the largest dry dock in the world. So definitely in times to come we can expect the consortium would bag Reliance Naval and greatly benefiting the project of Mr. Nikhil Merchant.
Now, the successful bid was reportedly 2,700 crore rupees, which means a near 80% haircut for creditors. By when is the COC meeting expected to endorse the winning bid, Chetan?
Well, in times to come we can expect, my sources in fact have been telling me that this week there could be a major development as far as the committee of creditors will be meeting and endorsing the bid. In fact, you remember there were 3 bids that were in position. First, of course, by the consortium led by Nikhil Merchant, second by the Jindal Group, and third of a Dubai NRI. So, of course, a 2,700 crore rupees bid would definitely be favoured by the committee of creditors, because it's nearly amounting to about 80% haircut by the banks. In fact, IDBI, SBI had asked, the lenders had asked the bidders to in fact sweeten their bid. So in fact, from 2,400 crores bid put in by Nikhil Merchant, the bid was further sweetened to 2,700 crore rupees. But unfortunately 80% haircut will have to be undertaken by the lenders.